Carlos, are you familiar with paintless dent repair? You're playing, by the way, I should probably set this up a little better. You're playing the part of a customer here, okay? A customer who knows nothing about paintless dent repair. All right? Carlos, are you familiar with paintless dent repair?
No, what is that?
Carlos, what it is, it's a benefit that we're going to provide you for the next 12 months on one of our new Lincolns. All right? And what this benefit's going to do for you is going to, A, keep your vehicle looking better, B, lower your cost of ownership, and C, it has the potential to raise your resale value as well. Now, I'm sure that if you've ever parked your car, at one time or another, someone's dinged or dented your vehicle rudely with a shopping cart or by opening their door.
Yes.
What'd you do when that happened, Carlos?
I cursed the person.
Okay,
for all eternity.
Carlos, that's what about everybody does. Did you happen to look into what it would cost to get that ding or dent fixed using the paintless dent repair process?
No, I just got over it. Never did anything about it.
Again, you did what most people do. A ding or dent the size of a dime is about 60 or 70 bucks to take out. If it's as big as a credit card size, it's about 150. Very few people, in fact, the percentage is under 1%. Very few people get those dings and dents fixed when it happens. They do what you did. You cuss the rude son of a gun and you go on about your business. However, Carlos, you do end up paying for those dings and dents sooner or later. You know how?
No.
Well, when you trade your car in or you sell it to someone, whoever buys it from you is going to look at those dings and dents, do a mathematical calculation, and deduct from the value of your vehicle. Now, the reason I'm bringing this up is we're going to provide you paintless dent repair protection for the next 12 months, complimentary, on us. Anytime you get a ding or a dent, make no mistake, we are going to fix it for you at zero cost to you, which will lower your cost of ownership because you don't have to pay for it. It'll keep your vehicle looking better. And when you go to trade or sell it, if it's got fewer dings and dents, it's going to be worth more, which is going to lower your total investment. Now, here's the way it works. We'll do about 800 of these dings and dents for you, but we're only going to give you 2 visits to the ding or dent fellow. And most of the time, they'll probably send you back to our store with our paintless dent repair guys here. They will fix an unlimited number of those dings and dents for you at zero cost to you. Again, what will it do for you? Keeps money in your pocket because you don't have to pay for the repairs, keeps your vehicle looking better, and hopefully it will increase your resale value. By the way, if you plan on keeping your car longer than a year, Carlos, and I'm going to bet you probably are, check with one of our finance managers. They'll show you how to extend that coverage out to 3, 4, even 5 years, okay?